Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing how to pay employer professional tax. In our previous video, we have discussed how to pay professional tax for employees. Now in this video, we'll discuss how to pay professional tax for employer. How to pay professional tax. Before getting into how to pay professional tax, let us understand a little bit in more information about professional tax and what are the requirements for making the professional tax payment. Paying professional tax is easy once you get the hang of it, and you can complete the payment from comfort of your office. But before you begin, you need to ensure that you have completed the registration formalities and have your registration number handy. This professional tax identification number is called as PTIN, which will be a 12 digits number. Which means before making professional tax payment, we need to have a professional tax registration number, that is nothing but professional tax identification number, which is called as PTIN number, which will be a 12 digits number. But to have this PTIN number, the company has to get registered with professional tax. After registration, the professional tax department will issue a PTIN number, which will be a 12 digits number. The professional tax deducted must be deposited to the state government within the due dates, that is on or before 31st of March for the specific financial year. Which means the professional tax for the employer will be made payment only once in a year, that is on or before 31st of March for the specific financial year. Example, professional tax deducted during the months from April to March month should be paid on or before 31st of March for that specific financial year. Process to pay employee professional tax. As professional tax is payable to the state, the online payment will vary from state to another, depending upon your state's policy and website. However, it is safe to assume that the information that you need to submit and process will be similar. To get an idea of how to go about paying professional tax, take a look at the process of professional tax payment in Telangana. A professional tax is payable to the State Department, which is made online, and it varies from each state to another state. So each state has their own policy and website how to make the payment and what is the amount to be paid to the professional tax department. So make sure that you have the complete information for making the professional tax for the specific state for which you are making the professional tax payment. To get an idea, here we are going to make the professional tax payment for the state Telangana. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to pay employee professional tax payment. Step-by-step process to pay employee professional tax. Now we'll discuss the theoretical part and later we'll discuss the practical part of making professional tax payment for the employer. Now let's discuss the step-by-step process to pay employee professional tax theoretically. Starting by locating the official state website to pay professional tax. You can search online for the right website by entering professional tax e-payment followed by the name of the city or the state. Visit Telangana Commercial Tax Department website www.tgct.gov.in/tgportal.com. On the Commercial Taxes website under Online Dealer Services under Existing Dealer, click on E-Payments or Taxes. Select the type of tax. Once the Professional Tax e-payment page opens, click on Select Type of Tax. Drop down and select Professional Tax. TIN and Company. Enter the Professional Tax registration number, employer, name of your company firm, the specific office for which you are making the payment in case of multiple offices. Name of the firm. Company name will be displayed automatically. You just need to check and confirm the same. P registration type. Enrollment and registration will be displayed automatically. Just check and confirm the same. Select purpose. Now select the purpose for which you are making the payment. Here it will be return tax. Payment type. Now you need to choose the period of payment, monthly for employees and yearly for employers. As we are making payment for employer, we need to select yearly for employers. Tax period. Choose the period for which you want to pay tax, such as monthly for employees and annually for employers. And specify the year and month for which you want to make tax payment, that is 1st of April to 31st of March. Enter amount. Enter the amount that you want to remit along with the penalty amount, if any, for the employer, that is 2,500 for each employer in the organization for the specific financial year, which is mandatory. Remarks and comments. Enter remarks if you want to enter any and click on submit button. A new window will open for confirmation and making the payment. Then click on make payment button. This will direct Bank PT payment gateway. Now you need to select the bank and other modes of payments through which you intend to make the payment. Then your login page for making online payment will open. Now log in and pay the professional tax. After making the payment, remember to save the payment challenge for future references. So dear friends, we have completed the step-by-step process to make employee professional tax payment theoretically. Now let's get into step-by-step process to pay professional tax for employer practically. Open Google and type professional tax payment Telangana. Here, commercial tax department website will be the first option. Click here. It will be directed to commercial taxes department government of Telangana. Now you need to drop down under existing dealer, click on e-payments all acts. It will be directed to a new page, Telangana commercial taxes e-payment. Here we need to select the type of tax. As we are paying professional tax, we need to select professional tax. Then click on TIN number. After entering the TIN number, name of the firm will be displayed directly. TP registration type will be mentioned. Then you need to select the purpose. Here we are paying the professional tax and the purpose will be return tax. If there is a penalty, interest or something, we can select the penalty or interest. But here we are making only return tax, so we need to select the return tax for professional tax payment. Here we need to select the period. As you are making payment for the employer, we need to select financial year. Here I am making the payment for employee professional tax for the financial year 22-23. So I have selected 1st of April 2022 till 31st of March 2023. And I need to enter the amount. Here I am paying only for one employer, so I have entered 2500. And the remarks will be employer PT payment for financial year 2022-23. Then click on submit button. Commercial tax e-payments confirmation. Here all the details will be displayed. We need to check if everything is correct, then click on make payment. Here e-payments payment gateway. So here we can make payments through different modes, that is RTGS, NEFT or e-payment. Here I am paying through e-payment, so I need to select e-payment and select the bank, whichever way I want to make the payment. Here I am selecting IDY Bank. Then click on pay now securely. It will be directed to Telangana tax payment. Here it will pop out with retail banking or corporate banking. So I'm making payment through corporate banking, so I need to click corporate banking. And I need to enter the login details and password and make the professional tax payment. So dear friends, hope you understood the step-by-step process to pay employee professional tax practically. So dear friends, in this video we have discussed how to pay employee professional tax both theoretically as well as practically. Hope you understood. If you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I will be happy enough to answer all your queries. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.